Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm talking about something close to my heart: sustainable nutrition. It's a topic that's not only important for our health, but also for the health of our planet. That's right, 10 easy tips to eat green and save our planet. These tips are simple to incorporate into your daily life and can make a significant impact. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Get ready to transform your diet and contribute to a greener world. Tip number 1, go plant-based. Incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet is one of the most effective ways to reduce your carbon footprint. Did you know that reducing your meat intake, even just a little, can have a massive impact on the environment? Livestock farming is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Start with Meatless Mondays and see where it takes you. You might find that you enjoy the variety and flavors of plant-based meals. Next up, buy local. Supporting local farmers not only reduces your carbon footprint but also helps sustain your local economy. Local produce means fewer emissions from transportation. The shorter the distance your food travels, the fresher and more nutritious it is. Plus, it's fresher and supports your local economy. Win-win! You get to enjoy delicious, fresh produce while helping your community thrive. Tip 3. Seasonal eating. Eating fruits and veggies that are in season reduces the need for energy-intensive farming practices. Seasonal produce is often more affordable and tastes better because it's harvested at its peak. Check out what's in season in your area and plan your meals accordingly, and let's be honest, they taste way better. There's nothing like biting into a juicy, ripe fruit that's in season. Number 4, organic is key. Choosing organic produce means you're supporting farming practices that are better for the environment. Organic farming avoids harmful chemicals and promotes biodiversity. It helps maintain healthy soil and ecosystems. It's a bit pricier, but think of it as an investment in your health and the planet. The benefits far outweigh the costs. Tip 5. Reduce food waste. Did you know that a significant portion of food produced globally goes to waste? Plan your meals, love your leftovers, and compost what you can't eat. This not only saves money but also reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. It's all about making the most of what you have. Get creative with your leftovers and find new recipes to minimize waste. 6th, say no to single-use plastics. Plastic pollution is a major environmental issue, and reducing our reliance on single-use plastics is crucial. Bring your own bags, containers, and utensils when you shop or eat out. These small changes can significantly reduce the amount of plastic waste you generate. Small changes can lead to big results. Every little effort counts and contributes to a larger impact. Tip 7. Grow your own food. Even if it's just a small herb garden on your windowsill, it's a great way to reduce your carbon footprint and connect with your food. Growing your own food can be incredibly rewarding. It gives you control over what you eat and reduces the need for transportation and packaging. Number 8. Choose sustainable seafood. Overfishing and unsustainable practices are a big issue, but you can make a difference with your choices. Look for certifications like MSC or ASC when buying fish. These labels ensure that the seafood is sourced responsibly. Overfishing and unsustainable practices are a big issue, but you can make a difference with your choices. Supporting sustainable seafood helps protect marine ecosystems. Tip 9. Cut down on processed foods. Processed foods often come with lots of packaging and have a higher environmental footprint. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods, you can reduce waste and enjoy healthier meals. Go for whole, unprocessed foods instead. They are not only better for the environment but also for your health. And finally, tip 10. Educate yourself and others. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about sustainable practices is key to making a difference. Stay informed about sustainable practices and share your knowledge. The more people who understand the importance of sustainability, the greater the collective impact. The more people on board, the bigger the impact. Encourage your friends and family to join you in making sustainable choices. So, there you have it, 10 simple ways to make your diet greener and help save our planet. These tips are easy to follow and can make a big difference. Remember, every little bit counts, and together, we can make a huge difference. Your efforts, no matter how small, contribute to a healthier planet. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep eating green. Catch you next time. Let's continue this journey towards a more sustainable future together.